welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Thank you for watching my video. So today I'm going to be crimping my hair, but before I start crimping, I'm going to make a middle part because I don't think I want it on the side, but we're gonna get right into the video. I've been watching you. I've been watching you. So I have did my edges, and I put a scarf on my hair to flatten out the middle part. So now I'm gonna start crimping. Oh, the crimper I'm using is this Bedhead Away We Go. And this one, you can change the size of the crimp. I'm going to I'm gonna have it on a second level. We're gonna see second or third.
Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna lay with you. That's what he's something to do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I can see your eyes.
thinking of myself. Memories just keep ringing bells. It was this, I don't wanna understand. My car keeps on jiggling in my hands. My house are clicking towards your door. Then caught me slipping.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine up. If you're laughing, if you make you mad up. Now only you give me love and make me nice up, nice up, nice up. I feel make you mine up. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Girl, I love you every day. Diamond dancing with my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money, J's. I see you do this for you every day. When you call, money back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. You got a psycho, you got traffic psycho. Maybe if you like it, I go drive me psycho. Maybe if you pretty, but then make me mad up. Make you sing to the mic. Girl, you are that looking in your eyes up. Show you many things you can utilize up. If I say I love you, then I tell you nice up. Show you everything that I tonight up. True that, make you utilize up. Girl, when we talk, we go revise up. If you mend it this way, put them make you dance up. Girl, make you back up to the standing right. It's falling and he never call you back. You should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad. Get it where you been, girl, it's where you at, where you at. Girl, I love you every day. Diamond dancing with my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money, J's. For you every day. When you call, money back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. I've been watching you. 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 I've been watching you.
I am all done crimping. And of course I'm going to flatten out this area so it's not too like sharp. But came out just like I wanted it to. I actually missed this hairstyle. This style is so tedious to do. That's why I don't do it much, but I love the outcome when I do it. I'm gonna take some Frizz Buster from Fantasia. Not a lot. And rub it across the top for the flyaways and the ash shine. I don't know why, but every time I crimp my hair, it get real shiny. This is natural luster from the hair that the crimping iron gives it, so I love that crimping iron. It's one of the best ones to me. And I'd like to just not run my fingers through it, but just kind of pull on the crimps to separate it. Oh, my ring. All right, that's enough. Eight as usual. I was waiting for my pressing comb to heat up. I just like to take it down to like the first indent of the crimp for a flat, seamless look. So this is the look. I can't really turn to the back because of where I'm sitting. Yeah. I don't know why. It's my favorite thing to say. Now that it's done, I'm realizing that I don't want hair in my face. So I think I'm going to do that hairstyle that I've been seeing on TikTok. The half up, half down with the claw clip. It's so cute and it's so simple to do. So I think I'm going to do that to see what it looks like. Hopefully I don't mess up. If not, I'll just come back to the middle part.
Tell me how am I supposed to go ahead and just erase every feeling, every memory we shared? Oh, cause I was dying for this love. Yeah, I was dying for your love, your love. So tell me, baby, do you want me like I want you? See, baby, do you understand I know you? Yes, I even think about it just to call you. 'Cause I thought you were the one. So tell me how. Could you tell me that you let me by mistake? Intoxicated by your text and you ashamed. That's over. So how can I believe or trust in anything that you say when you so easily regret it next day? See, that ain't right. Cause I was dying for this love, this love. Yeah, I was dying for your love, your love. Tell me, baby, do you want me like I want you? Do you understand I know you? I even think about it, call you. 'Cause I thought you were the one. 'Cause I was dying for this love, this love. Yeah, I was dying for your love, your love. Tell me, baby, do you want me like I want you? Do you understand I know you? Yes, I even think about it, call you. 'Cause I thought you were the one.
Broadway, thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna lay with you. Let's get something to do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I can see your eyes, you feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I can see your eyes, you feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel it, babe. Can you feel it, babe? Feel it, babe. Can you feel it, babe? Oh, feel it, babe. Can you feel it, babe? 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 Feel it, babe. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no.
I think I'm going to push this up off camera because I want my ponytail higher. I want this to fall where you can see it with my head straight. So, BRB, I did it, you guys. Sorry I forgot to cut the camera back on while I did it. But all I did was I took the ponytail out. I brought it to the almost crown of my head, probably the crown of my head. And then I made the little small bun and I bobby pinned it down to my head so it'll be flat so it's not just like sticking out and making the style not cute. You could add the claw clip for the style of it, but I don't need it. I don't want it because I'm really about to just go to bed. But it came out very nice. I like how the crimps, well, I pulled the crimps out for a wilder look. I could go over these pieces, but I'll do that tomorrow because I'm about to go to bed. I look so pretty. Minus these two dark marks. Oh, this one over here too. My skin kind of either. All right, I'm gonna start pulling them out because I don't want it too crazy, but this is the finished look. I hope the back don't look as crazy as I think it does. But if you do, oh well, because you see the front. And you see the front. I'm gonna come on my baby hair in the morning. I just did it. For a softer look, I just wanted to mold it for now. I like doing my hair at night just so it'll take away from me getting ready for the next day because I don't like to do too much, especially if I gotta wake up early because, woo, I am not a morning person for real. I am a morning person, I just have to wake up. I gotta wake up first. So yeah, I think I ate. I know I ate. This looks like D-boy hair. I love this crimper. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends so we can be cute together. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.